Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download your Google Pay app. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. So first and foremost, to download Google Pay, all you need to do is simply tap open your Play Store app and then type in Google Play on the search bar. So once you type in Google Play on the search bar, you will get the Google Pay app or the Google Wallet app not available in your region. So all you need to do is simply go back and tap a web browser and type in the URL www.googlepay, a simple and secure payment app.en.aptoid.com. Once you type this URL, you will end up in this interface where all you need to do is simply tap on the download option, and in a few minutes the app will be started to get downloaded. So simply hit the download anyway option, and in matter of seconds your Google Pay app will get downloaded. So simply hit the open button, and once you do so, you need to now hit the install button as well. So after the Aptoid app is downloaded, you can simply open it, and once you open it, you can tap on the install button in Google Pay. So once you do so, you need to now give permission to Aptoid. So after you do so as well, your Google Pay app will get completely downloaded in matter of minutes. So after the downloading process ends, it will now get installed in your device. So to start the installation process, it will first of all show this kind of option on screen. So simply give permission to Aptoid and hit the install button. And after getting installed, it will now show this kind of icon, which will allow you to open your Google Pay app as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.